How to sign in into your iCloud without verification code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign in into your iCloud without any verification code. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you didn't know, you can sign in into your iCloud by simply signing in into your Apple account. To do that, search for your settings on your iPhone and then open it up. Now right there, you will see Apple account on the top. Tap on it and now you can log in into your Apple account. So I'll just tap on sign in manually and type in my email address. After you type in your email, type in your password as well. Now enter your iPhone's passcode to access your sensitive data stored in iCloud. So after you sign in into your account, you'll see your iCloud and then you can just head over to your iCloud and check for your backup and stuff. And that's basically how you sign in into your iCloud without any verification code. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.